How to find clearance item in Walmart app. To find clearance items in Walmart app, use the in-store barcode scanner or everything. So what you want to do is, first thing first, get the Walmart app installed to your device from your respective app store and log into your account. Then you want to turn on your phone's location service and connect to the store's Wi-Fi for accurate pricing. You also want to ensure the app shows your specific store location at the bottom. If not, you just want to close and reopen it. And at the top right corner, you could see a barcode scanner. You press onto that for the items in all the aisle, and especially on clearance rack, as self tag often do not reflect the actual price. If the price items seems off, you can tap the items in the app to view the more details and find at this store section as well. And this is how you're going to find clearance item in Walmart app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.